ต่อไปนะคะคือการนัดหมาย
appointment
การนัดหมายนั้นถือว่าจำเป็นในชีวิตประจำวันของเราอย่างยิ่งเลยนะคะในภาษาอังกฤษเขาจะมีวิธีการนัดหมายกันยังไงลองไปฟังดูค่ะ
I'd like to have a talk with Mr. Brown.
Certainly, sir. May I have your name?
Jack Crawford. May I make an appointment with Mr. Jack Crawford at 10 a.m. tomorrow?
Sorry, sir. Mr. Crawford has a previous engagement. Would tomorrow afternoon be convenient for you?
All right. Would that be convenient for you if I come to meet you this Friday?
Fine. At what time?
10 a.m. Will it suit you? I'd like to visit your showroom this Wednesday. Will it suit you?
That's fine. At what time?
At 10 a.m. Shall we say? I'm Jimmy Brown from MIS Company. I'm calling to make an appointment with Mr. Green.
What date will be convenient for you?
Shall we say this Wednesday at 10 o'clock? How about I'm Tom Brown from JK Company. I'm calling to make an appointment with Mr. Green this Friday at 9 a.m.
Sorry, I'm afraid that Mr. Green has another engagement at 9. How about 3 o'clock this afternoon?
Yes, that's fine. I'm afraid I can't keep my appointment with you. I'm afraid I can't keep my appointment with you this Friday. I have an urgent meeting to attend.
That's all right. We can make it another time.
Could we change our appointment to? Could we change our appointment to next Monday?
Certainly. At what time?
9:30. I've come to meet Mr. Green. I've come to meet Mr. Green.
Do you have an appointment, sir?
Yes, of course I have. Have you got an appointment? I'd like to meet Mr. Black.
Have you got an appointment?
No, I'm afraid I haven't. Is he expecting you? I want to meet Mr. White.
Is he expecting you?
Well, actually, no, he isn't. Show him in, please.
Mr. Brown is here to see you, sir.
Okay, show him in, please. Send him in, please.
Mr. Frank is here to meet you, sir.
Yes, send him in, please. Please tell him that I'll be with him shortly.
Mr. William would like to talk to you, sir.
Please tell him that I'll be with him shortly. Mr. Black will see you now. If you'll just follow me.
Mr. Green, Mr. Black will just see you now. If you'll just follow me.
Yes, sure.